Imagine standing at the entrance of a vast, mysterious labyrinth, the world of health insurance. Before you lies a path you must walk, but the terrain is unfamiliar, and the signposts are written in a language you barely understand. Yet within this labyrinth lies one of the greatest treasures you can safeguard: your health and your financial peace of mind. But how do you navigate this maze of costs, coverage, and choices? How do you make sure you aren't ambushed by surprise bills or lost in a thicket of confusing terms? Take a deep breath, because I will be your guide. By the time you finish listening, you'll wield the map and compass you need to stride forward with confidence. Let's begin with the very first gatekeeper of the insurance world: the monthly premium. Picture this as the key that unlocks the door. Each month you pay this set amount. Think of it as your ticket to the club, a membership fee to join the ranks of the protected. For some, it might be $200 a month. For others, more or less, but regardless, it is your passport. This isn't just a cost, it's an investment in your future and your family's well-being. But here's the first bit of magic: your premium covers more than just admission. It grants you fortune in the form of preventive care. Imagine these as little shields placed around you: vaccines to fend off illness, screenings that catch problems early, whether it's cholesterol, diabetes, or breast cancer. As long as you pay your premium, these preventive measures are yours, without any extra tolls along the road. But life, as you know, is full of surprises. What if a storm arrives, a sudden illness, a fractured bone, an unexpected trip to the emergency room? What then? Now the journey gets interesting. The cost of your care isn't just a matter of handing over a premium. It's a dance, a relay between you and the insurance company. To understand when you pay and when the insurance steps in, you must grasp three ancient tokens: the premium, the deductible, and the out-of-pocket maximum. Think of these as the pillars of the insurance temple, each with its own power. Let's shine a light on the first pillar, the deductible. Imagine, if you will, a sturdy bucket by your side, and every time you need care beyond prevention, you pour a bit of your own money into it. Doctors' visits, treatments, medications, each expense fills the bucket higher. The deductible is simply the amount your bucket must hold before your insurance company even begins to help. For many, this might be $500. For some, more. Until you have filled the bucket to the brim, for example, until you have paid $500 from your own pocket, you alone bear the cost of your care. But here's the good news. As soon as the bucket is full, as soon as you reach your deductible, a transformation occurs. It's as if a companion appears beside you, ready to share the burden. Now, as you walk further, the cost of each new health service is split. This is the second pillar, cost sharing. In this stage, the insurance company becomes your partner. For every doctor's visit, every prescription, every therapy, you and your insurer divide the cost. Sometimes it's a fixed fee called a copay, maybe $20 for a doctor's visit, $10 for medicine. Other times it's a percentage, known as co-insurance. For example, you might pay 20% while your insurer pays 80%. Step by step, you're not alone anymore. Your burdens are lighter, your path more manageable. But the journey doesn't end here. There's a final pillar, the most powerful of all, the out-of-pocket maximum. Imagine this as a mighty shield at your back. Every dollar you pay in deductibles, copays, and co-insurance is tracked, and the count rises, bucket by bucket. When you reach this Cap say $2,000, an extraordinary thing happens. For the rest of the year, no matter how many storms may come, no matter how many times you need care, your insurance company stands in front of you. You no longer pay anything for covered health services. Your companion absorbs every cost. Let's illustrate this with a story. Meet Maya. At the start of the year, Maya is healthy, just paying her monthly premium. Then out of nowhere, she slips and breaks her ankle. The medical bills start rolling in: X-rays, a cast, physical therapy. Each one adds dollars to her deductible bucket. By March, she's paid $500 and reached her deductible. Now, the insurance company starts sharing costs, with Maya paying a $30 copay for each physical therapy session. Over the months, these copays add up, and by October, Maya's payments reach a total of $2,000, the out-of-pocket maximum. From November onward, Maya pays nothing for her continued care. The shield is up, and her insurance stands guard. But remember, the cycle resets each year. As one year turns to the next, the bucket's empty and the count returns to zero. You must once again journey from the first pillar to the third, but now you know what to expect. So how much will you pay for your insurance? At the very least, the monthly premium, your club membership. At the most, your premium plus your out-of-pocket maximum. No matter how many medical mishaps or unexpected turns life throws your way, you have protection. The premium is the minimum. The premium plus out-of-pocket maximum is the ceiling. Between these, your actual costs will depend on your health needs and the plan you select. But the adventure doesn't end with understanding the rules. You have the power of choice. There are many paths to take, many insurance plans to choose from. High premiums with low deductibles, or low premiums with higher deductibles, each a different route with its own risks and rewards. If you're feeling lost, know this: you're not alone on this journey. There are guides at Healthcare, Gov, real people, ready to help you find the plan that fits your family, your budget, your health. Don't let the maze intimidate you. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. The knowledge you now possess is your torch, lighting up the shadows of confusion. The premiums you pay are not just bills, they are the foundation of your security. The deductible is the challenge that tests your resolve, and the out-of-pocket maximum is the safety net that catches you if you fall. So stand tall. You've unlocked the secrets. You know the dance of premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums. You're ready to chart your course through the world of health insurance with courage and clarity. Should you need a hand, reach out to the helpers waiting at Healthcare, Gov. They'll help you cross the finish line, triumphant and protected. Here's your final reminder: the true cost of your insurance isn't just a number on a page. It's the peace of mind you carry every day, knowing that no matter what happens, you and your loved ones aren't alone. You have a companion in your insurance, a map in your knowledge, and a shield in your out-of-pocket maximum. The labyrinth isn't so daunting now, is it? Walk forward boldly. Your future is waiting, and you're ready for anything.